And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you the basics of exporting. It's fairly easy, but there are some things to consider. Just go to File and Export PNG Image. We've got 4 export areas. I'm going to go over that later on. Most important is the file name, so where you put it. You can also click on Export As and then select the folder you want to export to. There are some advanced options for advanced users, so you can change the bit depth, for example, or the compression type. I can't think of a moment where I've used it myself. Let us go over what's really important here, and that's the export area. First is the page. If you can't see a page, go to Document Properties, Page, and there you can check the page border to see it. When you have page selected, you are exporting everything inside of the page. So in this case, the red circle. When you select drawing, you will select everything that is drawn. So all 3 circles in this case. You can see that the height is way smaller than that of the page, because our circles are smaller. And selection would only export what you have selected with the cursor tool. So let me select 2 circles to the right, and you can see that it has changed the width now. You can also select custom and define a custom area to select. The numbers on top of image size, they just show you the positions. So on the x-axis, the start and the end point, and on the y-axis as well. Keep in mind that we've got different units here. So in this case, I've got millimeters selected, and for image size, it's pixels. So be aware of that. So to conclude, the export area is the most important part. Page selects everything inside of the page border. Drawing selects everything that you've drawn. Selection exports what you have selected with the cursor tool, and custom is for customized export area. And these are the basics of exporting in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.